We will be making the existing COVID pass compulsory for everyone attending high-risk venues. And the high-risk venues that will be covered by the need to display a COVID pass will be nightclubs and similar venues, indoor, non-seated events for more than 50 people. That would include, for example, conventions and concerts. It will cover outdoor, non-seated events for more than 4,000 people, and for any setting or event with more than 10,000 people, such as a rugby or a football match, in future, demonstrating that you have a COVID pass will become a necessary condition of admission. Now, the COVID pass confirms your vaccination status or that you have had a negative lateral flow test within the previous 48 hours. And in that way, the COVID pass is different to vaccine certification in a number of important ways. It allows people to demonstrate their COVID status in other ways than just through vaccination, because it also shows lateral flow test results. It is freely and widely available now and is already being used. And venues and events can easily read the COVID pass with technology that already exists and is available to them free of charge. The COVID pass system has been used by many festivals and concerts over the summer. It included the Green Man Festival here in Wales. And when Elbow and the Manics play at the Motorpoint in Cardiff this weekend, the audience will already know that they have been asked to show a COVID pass in order to gain entry. Now, we will make the use of the COVID pass compulsory in the high-risk venues that I've set out from the 11th of October. So we will use the next 3 weeks to work with venues and the events sector to prepare for its introduction, to give them the time they need to make it a success. And the reason that we are doing it is to avoid having to take any more intrusive measures to deal with coronavirus. We want to do everything we can now to keep Wales open and to keep Wales safe. These are examples of the measures that SAGE calls low-cost interventions. Interventions that, if we take them now, we hope will be enough to prevent the need for tougher restrictions later on. To make this work, to keep Wales safe, to keep Wales open, we need everyone's help to bring coronavirus under control. Time and again, over the last 18 months, we have demonstrated that here in Wales, we can do it together, and we can do it again now.